Nail drills for acrylic nails. Professional, electric nail drill for home and salon use. Portable nail drill with 6 bits and sanding bands for manicure pedicure. Shape carve polish. Fashion and portable. This professional nail drill machine made of high-quality aluminum alloy and ABS material. Simple and stylish. This nail drill size is the same as a mobile phone, and the overall weight is less than 0.68 kilograms. Compact design with a click on the back, the nail drill can be carried around for nail tech or mobile tech. And we also presented an additional beam port carrying bag, which is convenient for you to carry the nail drill machine and all accessories with you. JIASHENG Professional Nail Drill, 20,000 RPM electric nail drill machine, electronic nail file drills for acrylic nails, gel nails, manicure pedicure tools for salon use. Powerful nail drill. JIASHENG nail drill is powerful, speed up to 20,000 RPM, it emits less noise and heat than other drill, and the handpiece is small enough to fit in your hand. You won't feel hand fatigue during your operation for polishing acrylic nails. Practical acrylic nail kit. Electric nail file equipped with 11 nail drill bits and 100 PCS sanding bands. Meet all your demands for acrylic gel nails, dip powder nails and poly nail gels. Works effective for polishing, shaping and removing. Delanie nail drill for acrylic nails. 35,000 RPM professional nail drill machine for shaping nails and removing polygel. Low noise, low vibration, low heat, rose gold, non-rechargeable. Powerful motor up to 35,000 RPM. Delanie professional nail drill has adjustable speeds up to 35,000 RPM to easily take off acrylics and gel varnish. This e-file nail drill won't lose power when filing hard acrylic nails off with a high torque. Say goodbye to those weak, flimsy nail drill machines. New upgraded handpiece. The handpiece of this acrylic nail drill is made from aluminum alloy, a steady metal to protect the sophisticated components inside, to dissipate heat and avoid overheating. With the special twist lock nail drill bit system, the nail electric file has better safety. Delanie 35,000 RPM cordless nail drill machine with foot pedal for acrylic nails. Professional, rechargeable electric nail file, e-file for gel nail manicure and pedicure. Multifunctional and 2 control modes. The Delanie micromotor has 2 control modes, pedal mode and manual mode. With the pedal, to make the nail drill work or pause, you only need to press the pedal once. With 6 points and 25 sanding belts. Bestidy 30,000 RPM nail drill electrical machine. Professional rechargeable e-file nail drill kit for acrylic, gel nails, manicure pedicure and polishing. Purple. High speed up to 30000 RPM. This professional nail drill is equipped with high-quality bearing, which enables it work smoothly at a high and adjustable speed, 0 to 30,000 RPM, by rotating the variable speed control knob easily. Rechargeable and portable. With a large battery capacity, 4,000 milliamperes, you can use this nail drill at anywhere anytime.